Annyeonghaseyo! So, we are here today to eat mang inasal that given by Yongtaknim. Yongtaknim! Annyeonghaseyo! Kamsahamnida! So, this is my mother.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yongtaknim.
This is my brother
Annyeonghaseyo,
Adrian.
Yongtaknim.
And my little brother Daniel. And also my little brother Nathan.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yongtaknim.
And my sister Liami, and she was shy. So these 3 pieces I will be given to my mom and my brother and my little sister, since me and Chris Daniel and Nathan are already eating at Mang Inasal. So Yongtaknim! Annyeonghaseyo! Kamsahamnida for the Mang Inasal! So, kaon mo. Kaon mo yung ito. Gutom pa ang akong manghod nga batig nga.
Manggulid lang.
Happy eating!
Happy evening.
Happy evening. This is my Kuya Adrian, and he is grade 12 student, same as me. And he's studying so hard like me and gain 85 above average. And this is my sister. She was so shy because I don't know why she is so shy. And my mother is like my sister. Look at she.
Annyeonghaseyo, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, busog na from Mang Inasal?
Yes.
So say next na to buhaton.
Jollibee.
Jollibee karon ba? Sorry. Okay, and your sorry is from?
Yongtaknim. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, go inside.
Gimana?
Just real, kita na.
Unsa pila na?
Ay, she's real. Naong she's real eh.
Huwangan ka. Padayon sardinas para magmutambok na ka. Sila, padayon din mo.
Are you done, Milay?
Kapila ni. Ay, lang ni.
How about you, Kit Kat?
Yes.
Asaman?
Tumayo ko. Walang may dito. Ano ka
So, only she's real and Pauline. Wala di eh. Kitana.
Kuya, so tunyak ko.
Kitana, are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Already na pay? Okay.
Yongtaknim. Kamsahamnida.
Dali, dungan mo. Okay, are you done?
Yes.
And, gan mo lagi mo gikan.
Metro gikan na. Samne sa
Gan mo.
Ako relahi.
Gan mo lang si Kuan Boy Kuan Metro. Okay, once again.
Yongtaknim. Kamsahamnida.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Rainiel, Andrea, and Justine.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, since wala mo kakuyog sa Mang Inasal ganiha kay napa mo sa school, no? So you have your take out and your snacks, drinks, and ice cream. And Mang Inasal is from Mactan Korea Channel sponsor.
Mactan Korea Channel. Kamsahamnida.
Sponsors. Then the drinks and ice cream and snacks is from Yongtaknim and Yongcholnim.
Yongtaknim. Kamsahamnida. Yongcholnim. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, panihapon na mo. Bye!
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Precious and Christina.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Christina, a while ago, while we're in Mang Inasal, the two of you has 3 packs of Mang Inasal, ha? Take out. And that is from Uncle Yung Chunin.
Uncle Yung Chunin, kamsahamnida.
And Christina, please get your bugas ha, sal ha. Okay, that is also from
Yung Chunin, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Then you have also 200 pesos from Wiparangnim.
Uy, palangim, kamsahamnida.
Kamsamida. Okay. Get your mang inasal then. Kaon na ha. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Anyo nga sa'yo, Sak. So, di uli ka ganiya sa live, no? Kaya you're not feeling well. You have a fever, no? So, kumusta naman ka karon? Okay na. Okay. So, your Uncle Bonim gives you 1,000. Ipalit na ini mo og tambal ha. Or salumpas. You have naman salumpas. Pero palit lang ng tambal. And, okay, Uncle Bonim.
Uncle Boning, kamsahamnida.
And you have also mang inasal take out. Okay, wala mang kakakuyog dito ha. And that is from Mactan Korea Channel sponsor.
Mactan Korea Channel, kamsahamnida.
Sponsors.
Sponsor.
Kamsahamnida. Then, kaon na ana, then take a rest. Ha, pahuway ha. Okay, bye Sak.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, Marian. Okay, so during the live event, so wala man ka no? Kaya sa enrollment? Enrollment. So what time imong gikan di ay? 8 to? Karon pa? 7 p.m. So that's why wala ka ganiha. So earlier, Kim Sakunim gives Yun and Amanda. Wanda. Wanda, I'm sorry. Wanda. So, can you count it? Kung 14,000. 14. Okay, so.
Uncle Kim Sakunim, kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye.